Wake up, customer platform. It's time to start the day. Discover all the value you already own. Don't let solutions slip away. Wake up, customer platform. The tools are at your hand. No need to sleep on capabilities that can help your business stand. The answer's right before your eyes. You just need to realize. Wake up, customer platform, and watch your business rise. Wake up, wake up. The platform's waiting for you. Wake up, wake up. See what your system can do.
Good morning, HubSpot Nation. It is time to wake up customer platform with your unofficial HubSpot Updates morning show where we help you discover the platform value you already own. I'm Chris Carolyn, joined by my co-hosts Casey Hawkins and George B. Thomas. We are here every weekday morning to make sure you're not sleeping on HubSpot's true capabilities. If you're joining live, drop a hello in the comments and let us know what you're building in HubSpot today. Happy Tuesday, September 16th. How we doing?
Happy Tuesday, Chris. Chugging along.
Yeah, doing good. Ready, excited to see what HubSpot has in store for us today.
All right. Well, there's a few. And by few, I mean 15. So we'll dive right in. Click to call from the index page in public beta, expected September 22nd for release. What is it? Phone number property values on index pages are now clickable links that open HubSpot's calling dialer, making it easier than ever to start a call.
Why does it matter? This update streamlines outbound calling. If you're working through a list of phone numbers, you can now launch calls with a single click. No need to copy and paste phone numbers into the dialer.
Yeah, we've talked about this one before, but the idea of having a view for that instead of a queue for that really stuck last time. So I'll just say it again. It's it definitely changes the way that you might use HubSpot for calling for sure.
Indeed. And we see a group of project stuff.
Yeah, we do. Yeah,
in development.
I'm kind of excited about what I'm seeing.
Mhm.
Yep. And I started listening to the Hub Heroes podcast. So I heard a little bit about this specific app being asked for in that episode.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna click in. Maybe we don't go through all four, but let's see what they're up to here. This is all in development. So there's a forward-looking statement at the front.
Yep.
This one is a project's task card.
Mhm.
What is it? A new tasks card on project records that displays all tasks associated with the project in one centralized location.
Why does it matter? Projects rely on clear task visibility to stay on track and meet deadlines. Previously, you had to navigate away from project records to see associated tasks, making it harder to understand project progress at a glance. The new task card brings task information directly to project records, helping you quickly assess what needs to be done and take action without switching between views.
Yeah.
All right. So
If you open the image in a new tab, it kind of gives you an idea of the potential future look of what a project might look like,
Mm.
your tasks might look like combined. What excites me is the idea that there's still a communication central on the top
Mhm.
left-hand corner, what I like to call it. There's an about this project over there, and then you've just got everything where it's like who's assigned to it, when's the due date. Like it very much is looking like well, a project management system. Okay.
Yep. So in that light, I'm definitely going through all these. I'm not skipping
Yeah.
over any of this.
When you said maybe we won't go all over them, I'm like, what are you doing? But yes, let's continue.
So next, project subtasks. It's like they just actually they're just really good at knowing what everybody wants already, and it just happens to be in line with all of the requests from LinkedIn as soon as the project's object was released. Basically, you can check off all these project subtasks. Again, in development, what is it? When it's released, you will be able to break down a specific task into more detailed steps using subtasks within projects.
Why does it matter? Tasks often contain multiple steps to be fully completed. Using subtasks allows you to configure your task to match your team's workflow, ensuring every aspect of your project is actioned.
Love it.
This was hot coming out of inbound. I feel like anyone I talked, at least on like the HubSpot product side, if I talked to them about projects, they were like, subtasks are coming.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when this drops, we should have like a specific episode or do some kind of content. All right. What else you need? Project management people? Like, why can't we do that stuff in HubSpot yet?
My brain immediately goes to, I hope that they have like project templates. Like I can create a project template, like as we do this thing over and over and over again. Sweet. Have a project template. Anyway, let's move.
If we can clone a project object.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, true. True that.
Yeah. Oh man. Task dependencies for projects. What is it? Task dependencies will allow you to set that a task is blocking or blocked by another task. When a task is blocked by another task, the task won't start until the other task is complete.
This matters because when working on a project, your team often has a sequential process for completing the work. Task dependencies enable you to represent the way your work should be done in HubSpot and ensure your business processes are followed.
Dude, this image.
How about this image?
I don't know if it's gonna visually be the way that it's showing it, but the fact that there's like a almost like, you know how in workflows there's a go to next action. Like this almost looks like the task version of go to next action or go to the next task. Like,
yeah, that's the exciting part. Like when you understand HubSpot's value is visibility and communication across the teams and to customers. When it decides to bring that functionality into the system, it does it better than the way it's been done in the past in a lot of ways. So
well, imagine too when AI and projects meet. So like, let's just say, for instance, you're working in Breeze or you're working in Claude or you're working in GPT, and all of a sudden you're like, please create these project or create this project and create these 7 tasks.
Yeah, which I know I have done. I heard on the podcast say that you've also started testing stuff like that out.
Yeah. Not with projects, but with tasks.
Right. Just tasks, right? And so much of the kind of pushback on stuff like this in HubSpot is like, oh, tasks are clunky. Like, oh, tasks are hard to use. Well, matters less when the AI is doing that for you.
Yeah.
Right. Speaking of George's request, we'll hit this other in development project update, which is called project templates.
We see that out.
What is it? Admins will be able to, once this is out of development, create project templates with predefined tasks for team members to use when creating new projects in HubSpot.
Yeah.
This matters. This matters because project templates help teams efficiently create projects from existing templates and ensure consistency across your organization. Instead of manually adding tasks after creating each project, your team can start with standardizing processes that include all necessary tasks. This saves time and helps ensure projects follow established workflows from the start.
Yeah, buddy. It was on page 2 of mine. That's why I didn't see it. But oh my God, yes. This is gonna be so here we go again. My brain goes to like I'm literally sitting here thinking like when do I not need ClickUp now?
Mhm.
Like when and you if you've been watching the show or listening to the show for a while, you realize like I'm on this kick of like how do I decrease the tech stack? Like
And
anyway,
and here's where I get excited. When you see this functionality show up in this place, what other objects
yeah,
could this be enabled for?
yeah,
Right? Instead of relying on go here, then click clone, and then you're going to recreate, then you got to fix all this data because you cloned it,
yeah.
instead of having actual templates like this. This is awesome
Very
to
cool.
see. This is very cool. Oh man. All right. Back to the real world. Enable auto record for Google Meet meetings via HubSpot. Yeah, I just got a shout out, Nico here. Indeed, tech stack reimagined,
Yes,
my friend.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What is it? Say, George, have you ever forgotten to record an important meeting?
So silly.
My goodness, have I?
The Google Meet app for HubSpot now has the ability to enable automatic recording of meetings in Google Meet directly from HubSpot. When you turn on enable auto recording of meeting in Google Meet from your integration settings, HubSpot will activate this setting in your Google account on your behalf from inside of HubSpot,
Yeah.
ensuring all your meetings are recorded without manual intervention.
Yeah.
Why does this matter, Casey?
Never miss capturing important meeting details again. With auto recording enabled, all your Google Meet meeting recordings and transcripts automatically sync to your HubSpot account. This helps you stay organized, improve team collaboration, and maintain a complete record of customer conversations, all without having to remember to hit record.
And the amount of unstructured data that heads over to your HubSpot portal.
Yeah.
Get it all in there.
Yeah.
Customizable highlight card on CRM records. I saw this in a couple places on LinkedIn yesterday. Private beta. What is it? You can now customize which properties appear in the highlight card at the top of most CRM records, ensuring your team sees the most relevant data front and center. Hallelujah.
Why does it matter? Can you scroll down, Chris? It's not on my first page. And no, thank you. And I'm too scared to change the page, Teams often
Flip back and forth now. You can flip back and forth and be safe.
Yeah. Teams often scroll through lengthy records or multiple tabs to find critical information. Now, you can easily surface the most important properties where users can't miss them. You'll save time with inline editing capabilities and instantly spot urgent signals. Enhanced support for color-coded tags and drop-down properties can highlight important statuses like high priority tickets or expiring deals. There are
Yes.
2 updates on my list today that truly came up in my life yesterday, and I was like, "Here's a beta." And this is one of them.
So good.
Beta, ladies and gentlemen.
And I wasn't even thinking about putting colors
I
up in
wasn't
this
either.
thing. Like,
Yeah.
man, so good.
See, this
We're
is why they
gonna
have to
we're
tell
gonna
us these
favorite that
things.
one too.
Yeah.
Add text overlays to video in public beta. What is it? Text overlays allow you to quickly add customized text directly onto your short form marketing videos. Now you can easily add and position text, select styles, colors, and edit the durations all within the video editor.
This matters because you can now easily enhance your videos with speaker titles, event information, promotional details, or critical statistics, improving clarity and viewer engagement. With built-in brand consistency tools and flexible customization options, videos maintain a professional, polished look while without the added time and tools.
Nice.
Very cool.
Yeah.
Very cool indeed.
It's crazy to even think that we live in a world where HubSpot and video are synonymous with each other.
It's true.
Getting good. Getting good. CRM development tools to build UI extensions with React as front end.
Oh,
What is it? Developers with access to Sales or Service Hub Enterprise can now use CRM development tools to build UI extensions, custom cards, based on a new technology stack with React as front end. These extensions can be displayed on the middle column tab or the sidebar of the record page.
It's very
that
cool.
GIF is like amazing. Why does it matter, Casey?
This allows developers to build custom cards that are flexible, dynamic, and interactive. The choice of this technology stack makes it so that customers can have entirely custom yet immersive user interfaces built on top of HubSpot, and that matches cohesively with the UX that HubSpot is known for. They can build complex integrations, multi-step business processes on top of HubSpot to solve their unique business needs and scale their business.
So much fun to see this progress. And shout out to Ryan Ginsberg, who's doing some amazing things in a portal for me right now.
Nice.
In that center card. Just enables so much when you can design the workflow as the team like needs it and wants it, without clicking all over the place or scrolling all over the place.
Do you want to know something weird that I'm the only person probably in the entire world that is weirded out by that update? The ID for that update is 5 numbers. Usually they're 6. That's actually why I couldn't answer the why it doesn't matter. I was so stuck on the fact that it was the wrong number.
Oh, deep cut there. Deep cuts, folks, behind the scenes of Casey Hawkins' mind there.
My
I'm
goodness.
She's
so
in it.
my
She's
brain
committed to product
couldn't
updates.
get past.
It's kind of
Wow.
like when you see those HubSpot portal IDs that are only like 7 digits or 6 digits, right? Right.
I like couldn't
Like,
move.
what
I was
is-
stunned.
What is
Yeah,
happening here?
My portal ID is 6 digits. by
Yep.
the way. Yeah.
That's
Ooh.
that's why we
See, that would
call him
ruin my
OG.
whole day.
Yeah. Yeah.
What is this? It is a workflow action to register a contact to a marketing event.
Oh, come on now.
Mm-hmm.
You can now automatically register contacts to manually created marketing events in HubSpot using a new workflow action.
This matters because previously businesses that rely on marketing events for lead generation and nurturing couldn't directly enroll contacts into a HubSpot marketing event via automation. The process often required manual data imports or custom API solutions. This update streamlines that process. With the new workflow action, you can automate contacts registration to events, enabling seamless integration between lead capturing and event enrollment. This was the second update that came up in my life yesterday. I was trying to do this and I was like, so weird. This isn't a thing. Why is this not a thing? And then I don't know even how I ended up at the product updates page, as I often do when I'm like, crazy, that seems weird. Sure enough, problem solved.
Mm-mm. Join that frickin' beta.
Yes.
My brain goes back to it might be time for me to revisit what native event management in HubSpot would look like.
Oh man. Yeah.
Mm. Mm-mm.
Yes. On to page 2, 5 more to go. And and it still includes the customizable highlight card. And text overlays. So we'll skip those. Search for workflow triggers by assets. What is it? Search for workflow triggers by asset type or name when building workflows. This feature covers forms, lists, emails, and properties.
Very cool. This matters because this feature helps you quickly find relevant trigger options for your specific assets, reduces time spent searching amongst all the different triggers, explore other trigger options more efficiently. For example, if you want to automate a flow after a webinar submission, simply search for your webinar form to see all related trigger options. I feel like I said the word trigger too much.
It might have been a little triggering.
I was like, this feels like.
So anybody know what who is it? Is it Will Rogers? Anybody know what Will Rogers' horse's name is?
Trigger?
Yay! All right. There you go. All right. Anyway, that's for the old people in the room. You're welcome.
Yeah, they're going to drag us kicking and screaming away from starting with an object.
I like it. I've said it before. I'll say it again.
Yeah.
I like it.
I agree with you. I'm not one of those who just goes down to the bottom and clicks the link so I can start everything from a contact record.
I hate change, but I like it.
There you go.
You heard it here
You
first.
can like it. You can too. Replaceable analyze tabs on landing pages and website pages. What is it? You can now replace the default analyze tab with a custom dashboard in the pages analyze tabs, personalizing your reporting view.
Yeah, sounds vaguely familiar, doesn't it, Casey? Why does it matter?
I don't know if anyone knew why it mattered before now. This change helps you tailor Analyze tab to your specific needs, making insights more actionable and accessible in your workflow. You can contextualize data more efficiently for your role or team, access relevant metrics faster, improving decision-making, and increase analytics adoption by customizing the view to your preferences. To be honest with you, George, I don't even remember this. I think I just blacked out for the entire time.
We covered
this is brand new to me.
It was a little bit Casey, a little bit Kylo Ren, but we tried to cover it yesterday.
This is so new to me for some reason.
At least one time.
No, you really don't.
I'm not.
I'm not going back to it.
I got off that and was like, I'm never listening to that one. I promise you that.
Guess the amount of clips that we'll pull from that episode. Any guesses?
Yeah. Well, either way, this looks like an amazing update that I know some people have wanted since HubSpot has kind of changed the way that you could access reports related to websites. Mm-hmm. So very cool to see that flexibility coming back. And then we've got navigation, editing, and global content editor. What is it? Access advanced menus and navigation settings directly within the global content editor. With this update, you no longer need to leave and go to settings to make changes to the menus you use on your website.
This matters because this streamlines the process of creating headers and footers while reducing context switching, making your website building experience more efficient. I do actually remember this one vaguely.
Very, very cool. This is a long time coming. Honestly, it's been so easy, George, to manage menus in HubSpot in the settings area. It's it's hard to ask for things to make it better. This makes it better. Bring it to where I'm working. As we wrap, I need to highlight, is this where, let's see, the hug today, even if you don't know anything about Commerce Hub or feel like it may not apply to your business, and certainly if you do care about billing and quoting and all the things related to revenue and commerce. This was one of the biggest announcement at Inbound was HubSpot CPQ, and that's going to be today's hug. So Ethan Coppett, the product lead of CPQ, is stopping by the admin's hug in 2 hours from right now to show it off. We'll be doing some unboxings with Ethan as well. So this is an important tool, folks. If you're in sales, if you use Sales Hub and you aren't using quotes because of what they have been like as far as legacy quotes go and all the challenges, people talk about related to line items, please come and check this out. Like, super powerful stuff, AI enabled, all that good stuff, to really get this part of the process working much better for most teams that have been working inside of HubSpot. So I beg you to come and check this out, or at least be ready to check out the recording. A lot of cool stuff coming from the Commerce Hub team, specifically CPQ. So excited for that today.
Chris will be in the comments.
I will be in the comments. Come hang out. Try to be in my best behavior. Remember, folks, you probably already own the solution you're looking for in HubSpot. Sometimes you just need to wake up to it. Join us tomorrow morning live at 7:30 a.m. Central, or catch us anytime on Spotify and Apple Music. Drop your biggest takeaway in the comments and let us know what capabilities you want to wake up to next. Until then, I'm Chris Carolyn.
I'm Casey Hawkins.
And I'm George B. Thomas.
And this has been Wake Up Customer Platform. Now go build something amazing. Have a great day, everybody.
Customer platform, it's time to start the day. Discover all the value you already own. Don't let solutions slip away. Wake up, customer platform.